Yes, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this,
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
yes, in this time, I will present about our article. Our article with the title is The Influence of Environmental Performance, Independent Commissioner, Institutional Ownership and Industrial Sensitivity on Environmental Disclosure in Non-Cyclical Consumer Companies, list on the BEI in 2018 until 2022. Our team consists of me, Retno Trihandayani, Poni Harsanti, and Vena Indriani. And the background to the problem, we can see on the table. Based on the table above, it can be seen that as the years go by, the number of non-cyclical consumer companies that do not carry out environmental disclosure increase. Based on this problem, it is very important to carry out research into its relationship with environmental disclosure. And theoretical basis about the legitimacy theory. Legitimacy theory is a theory that explains the actions of a company, especially regarding the company's relationship with social society. Thus, this legitimacy theory is closely related to environmental disclosures in companies. The environmental performance of companies will also be seen in the company's environmental disclosure. Legitimacy theory also states that corporate and social relationship will be visible from environmental disclosure as well, of course. Therefore, the higher a company's environmental performance, the higher the company's environmental disclosure too. This is a theoretical thinking framework on our article, and the dependent variable is environmental disclosure. Independent variable is our environmental performance, independent commissioner, institutional ownership, and industry sensitivity. And research methods. The type of research is quantitative, data source, secondary data in the form of annual report, sustainability reporting, proper rankings, and the population non-cyclical consumer companies listed on the EDA 2018 until 2022. The sampling technique use purposive sampling method, and the research is type a quantitative research, the population totaling 448, while the sample in the research is 50. The sample determination method in this research is a purposive sampling technique with criteria which has been specified. And the model we can see at the screen. And about the data analysis, the one descriptive statistical analysis test, two classical assumption tests consist of normality test, multicollinearity test, heteroscedasticity test, autocorrelation test. Number three is multiple linear regression analysis. Number four, hypothesis testing consists of coefficient of determination test, F test, and T test. And this is the result of descriptive statistic. The sample about the 50 and consists of mean, max, mean, and standard deviation. About the normality test, the result of the normality test, the result of the normality test using the one sample Kolmogorov-Smirnov test with a total 50 research data shown that the value of assigned sin of 0.082, async value seek to tail is greater than 5%, so it can be said that the data is normally distributed. Tuh. Hmm. And about the multicollinearity test, the result of the multicollinearity test using the one small curve Smirnov, total 50 research data, and normal. About the heteroscedasticity test, based on the result of the heteroscedasticity test using the Glacier test, it can be concluded that all independent variables in this study do not or research do not show any symptom of heteroscedasticity. This is because the significance value is greater than 5% for each independent variable. About the autocorrelation test, based of the result of the autocorrelation test, which can be seen from table 6, the Durbin-Watson value is 1.857. This value is compared with the Durbin-Watson table value with a significance of 5%. The amount data is 5 and the number of independent variable is 4. Then the DL value is 1.3778 and the DU is 1.7214. So the DV value is greater than DU and DV. Smaller than for DU, namely, and then it can be said that there is no autocorrelation. And about the multiple linear regression analysis, we can answer the hypothesis in the research by see the result the result t-test on in this research. Based on the t-test above, it can be seen that hypothesis 1 is accepted with a significant value of less than 5%, and the direction of the coefficient is positive. Well, hypothesis 2, hypothesis 3, and hypothesis 4 are rejected because the significant value is above 5%. And this is about if test. Based on the result of the if test, it shows that the significant value is 2.002, meaning less than 5%. So it can be concluded that the independent variable consisting of environmental performance, independent commissioner, institutional ownership, and industry sensitivity have a simultaneous influence on the dependent variable, namely environmental disclosure. And about the coefficient of determination, based on the result of the coefficient of determination test or adjusted R square, it can be seen that the adjusted R square value is 0.245. This means that the independent variable consisting of environmental performance, independent commissioner, institutional ownership, and industry sensitivity have not been able to explain the influence on the variable, namely environmental disclosure at 24.5%, while the remaining 75.5% is influenced by the other independent variables. The conclusion result of SPSS testing conducted by research on registered cyclical consumer companies on the Indonesian Stock Exchange in 2018 until 2022, empirical evidence was found that environmental performance had a positive effect on environmental disclosure, while independent commissioner, institutional ownership, and industry sensitivity had no effect on environmental information disclosure. The implication of the result of this research is as input for the company itself, the government, and the social community regarding the factor that influence the disclosure of environmental information, because the more companies report environmental information disclosure presented in their annual report, the more positive the company will receive from interested parties. Okay, thank you for your attention, and we will finish our presentation. Thank you.